JDoc by Geico. JDoc is an innovative system that avoids the use of a huge amount of papers and catalogues too difficult to examine, storing them on a server directly connected to a tablet. Input data of the JDoc system is the list of equipment and suppliers' documentation. JDoc allows to organize and manage in a user-friendly way manuals, datasheets, certificates, settings, spare parts, layouts, schemes. All these documents are now available directly on the plant. You simply need to focus an identification code with your tablet, and immediately you will be able to record all management and maintenance data of all elements, thanks to an innovative reminder function for warnings and to-do lists. JDoc system makes the management of a plant easier, thanks to its user-friendly client service architecture. JDoc by Geico.